Hey, so today I got my RAM in the mail. I got it from macsales.com. Probably the coolest company around right now. So cheap, like $70 for 4 gigs of RAM. And today I'm going to teach you how to install it. So, let's see what we got. Comes with a how-to. That's kind of nice. So if you're not really sure of what to do, it shows you how to do it. For the iMac, MacBook, MacBook Pro. Pretty cool. And a receipt. See how much I really paid. Doesn't say. Just kidding. And of course, two 2 gig sticks of RAM. So you're going to need that, your computer, and a number 1 or number 0 screwdriver will work. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is unplug your computer. And then you're going to want to take your battery off, like this. Set it somewhere fun. Then you're going to want to base yourself. Touch something metal that's not on your computer. Make sure you get the static electricity off. And then go ahead and there are 3 screws. And there's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. Oh. So there's 3 screws. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. So go ahead and just take those out. Okay, and be careful with these screws because these aren't the magical Mac screws that just stay in place. So go ahead and just put this somewhere safely. And if you can't see, there's 1 stick, and there's a second bay, and this is bay 1, bay 2. Easy enough. Okay, and so to get the stick of RAM that's in there out, you're going to want to push these 2 metal flaps that are on the side, right there, and you just push them out. And then it pops up, and then you can go ahead and slide it out. And then you see that then you go ahead and stick your stick in. And slide it out. And then you see that okay. So you stick it in at a 45-degree angle and then push down. Okay? And grab your second stick of RAM. Go ahead and stick it in and push it down. So now instead of one 1 gigabyte stick, I have two 2 gigabyte sticks, so I have 4 gigs of RAM. And now you just go ahead and put your little tray back on. Make sure you still have all 3 of your screws. See, like, I'm missing one. See? But here it is. So you go ahead, just slide it in. Fairly easy. And you just push them out. Okay, double check your screws, make sure you didn't mess it up. Okay. Take your battery, stick her back in. Flip it over, turn it on. Oh yeah, this case you can get at the Apple store. Most of them. If not, you can get it online. It's a pretty cool case. I like it. It keeps the stuff off of my computer. They have the bottom case, but obviously I had to take it off for a RAM install, like this. It's convenient. Link in the sidebar if I feel like it. If not, Google it. So, it seemed to work. Click on About This Mac, and then you see that you have 4 gigs of 667 DDR2 RAM. So, it's a fairly easy install, and for MacBooks, it's basically the same. You take out the battery and take out 3 screws. It's just 3 different spots for the screws. A little different. Easy enough, though. Have fun.